Gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. All right, so game, just break down this move. Quickly what Gold did. Quick update for what Gold did. Gold went right to take profit too. Gold went right to take profit too. You could have got in, like I said, you could have gotten in at 811, 812, 813. And what did the price do? Price made a higher high past this higher high right here. Like, what did the price do? Started making higher highs and higher lows. Um, eventually making a higher high. Boom. Past take profit one. It made a higher high past take profit one. Went right to take profit one, 815. Boom. What did it do? Boom. Went all the way to take profit two. Boom. You know, this is what you would do, gang. This how you would trade. So you can see clearly how gold headed all the way up to take profit two. It headed all the way up to our take profit two area, which is 819, 820. Boom, you're out to trade. Depending on your lot size, that could be either 5,000, 4,000, a couple hundred. You're just looking at price, seeing what price likes to do. Take your take profit. Once price gets to take profit too, get out the trade. Because now we're looking for sales. Now we're looking for price to retest after a major move like this. After prices went all the way up from take profit one, all the way from 1811 all the way to 819, 820. Price is going to retest after retest after a major move like that. So price went all the way to take profit one, all the way to take profit two. Now gold is going to retest back down, probably to take profit one before heading back up to take profit two, before 5:30, p.m. It's going to retest back down, so um, it's going to retest back down before going to take profit two. So you still have a chance. You just got to wait for price to head back down and take profit one. And then once it gets to take profit one, after it retests for a while, it should head back up to take profit two. So we're just gonna wait for that move to play out. But you can still see we still see gold pushing back up to take profit too. After it retests back down to take profit one, it should push back up to take profit two. Like, for the overall trend, like I said again, the overall trend, it's an uptrend. It was just retesting. It was just retesting down, and eventually, it retested all the way back down to our key level 1810. You know, before what? Heading back up. To take profit one, all the way back to take profit two, 819, 820. Like, you could just look. Let's scroll into the 1 hour. And see more, what's going on overall. We see gold. Look, boom, strong candlesticks, yellow candlesticks meaning that gold is going up. Strong candlesticks letting us know that gold is heading up, still heading up in the overall trend, still uptrend. Um, Candles are still above this trend line. Candles are still above the trend line. It was just retesting back down for a few days. For a couple of last days, it was retesting back down. You can see structure right here, making lower lows and lower highs, letting you know that price for the last few days is what, January 18th, January 17th, even January 14th. The last 3 or 4 days, price has been heading down. Retesting down after pushing all the way up. On January 13th, price was at 1812. It pushed all the way up to 1828, which is our take profit three. This is our take profit three, 1828. 1828 is our take profit, like 3 or 4. Like, which price hasn't got to yet. Price hasn't got all the way up to 1822 could be take profit. Take profit three could be 1822. Price likes to go to 1822. 1822 can be take profit three, and 1822 could be take profit three, and obviously take profit four would be up here. 1828, 1828, 1827. Around this area could be like would be take profit um would be take profit number 4. You know, this would be take profit number 4 right here at right next to our key area. You know, 1830, 1824. I mean 1828, 1829, around that area. Price should get all the way up here. This is where we're expecting price to get to. By the end of Friday. You know, by the end of Friday, we should see price heading all the way up here to 1829, right to our key level, 1829, 1828 area. You know, price should head to get up to this area right here, like it was in the past. On the 14th, it had headed all the way up to 1824. You know, on the 14th. So it was just there like last week. It was just at this level, you know, at 1824. This is January the 14th, 2022. It was just there, you know. So price should get back up here. Still at take profit number 2 on a 4 hour. You can see overall we're still in an uptrend. You know, overall gold is still heading up. Like I said, you can let's go to the daily. You know, you would just go to the daily. Look on the daily chart. You can see on the daily. Boom, scrolling on the daily. The last what? This is January 13, January 14, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. Price been retesting down. Now, you know, look at the daily. The daily chart will tell you what price is doing overall for the day. Price is heading up. Smashed it all the way past take profit 1. Now it's at take profit 2. You know, gold could go to take profit 3. You know, but I'm not sure if it's going to go to take profit 2. I mean, take profit 3. We got out at take profit 2. You know, I believe price will go back to take profit 1 before smashing back up to take profit 2, and then take profit 3 at 1822. But it could still push up to take profit 3. You know, 1822 for the day. You know, but you can see the candlestick for the day is gold is heading up. You know, overall the trend is overall we're still in an uptrend. You know, candles are still above this trend line right here. You know, it was just in a counter trend. You know, you could have sold this counter trend, and you know, all the way down to 1805. You know, and then it pushed back up from 1805 all the way back up now to 18. You know, we're at 1819. You know. So this is how you would trade. You would look at the daily. It'll tell you what price is doing. You know, for the day, for the week. You know, for the week, gold is still pushing up. You know, for this week, gold is still pushing up. Last week, gold was pushing up. You know, we're still in an uptrend. We're still pushing up. You know, back to 1830, back to at least to this key level. We see gold heading back up to this key level one more time. 1830, this area, 1830 area, take profit 4. You know, we see gold still heading up to take profit 4. You know, right to 1830. You know, right to 1830. So we're still waiting for price to do that. Price will get up to 1830. Take profit 4 all the way up to this area, 1828 area by, you know, today or tomorrow. You know, going into Friday, you should see, you know, price getting up to take profit 4. So gold's gonna go up to take profit 4 in the next few days. Definitely do believe that. You can see on a 4 hour chart, you know, the last 4 hours, 1, 2. Now it's the third. This is the third 4 hour. You know, price went all the way from 1811 all the way up to take profit 2. You know, 1819, 1820. You could have got right out of there. You could have got out the trade soon. You know, right once it went to take profit 2. And if we just scroll down to the 15, you can see it on the 15. Clear as day. The price went all the way up to take profit 2. After a move like this, price will consolidate, you know, consolidate or retest back down prior to take profit 2 before what? Heading back up to take profit. I mean, consolidate all the way back down to take profit 1 before heading back up to take profit 2. So we're just gonna play by ear. But like I said, overall the candles are still above this. You know, candles are still above. Candles are still going up. Next level would be obviously take profit 3. I can see price pushing up to take profit 3. You know, but the trend line, the overall trend line is still going up. Gold is still heading up. So just paying attention to candlesticks, understanding candlesticks, understanding the direction that the trend wants to go in. The overall direction of the trend is still an uptrend. So, you know, finally gold is pushing back up after pushing back down for the last few days. So gang.